right. Oh, I lost him. Oh. Well, good morning and welcome to What's That Guy Doing? Hell of a way to start. Alright, we'll get him back out there. We're at the Jake today. I wanted to come to where I'd be sure I'd catch a fish, because sometimes you just need to catch a fish for no other reason. Come on. Nice. Hey, buddy. Were you messing with me that whole time?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, we'll probably... Ow, dude. We'll probably just catch sunfish, but... Ooh, he has him. Look at his face. Weird. See ya. So I got myself a new rod. I got an ugly stick. 40 bucks from Walmart. But it's not bad. It's a 7-foot rod, which is a little bigger than I'm used to. In this kick-ass, heavy-duty Shakespeare reel with red line. Casts pretty smoothly. Reel's nice and smooth. And that was the first fish I caught on it. Let's see if we can get ourselves number 2. Here we go. Yellow perch. Nice. Hello. Easy, tiger. Nice. A good looking little perch. Alright, buddy, back you go. Yeet! Cool. Oh, these weeds. Alright, we got him through. Ah, another big sunny. Hey, buddy, don't stick me. Oops. Dude. Alright, just get out of here. See ya. Well, cool. And with plenty of worm on there, let's cast that right back out. So, I got something coming up this week. I'm gonna be going in to get some teeth pulled, about 6 of them. So I don't know how much I'll be posting. I don't know how that's gonna make me feel. Probably bad. So if you don't see me, I haven't fallen off the earth. Just getting some stuff done. No? Yeah, I think we got them. No, we don't have them. They're tough today. Nothing wants to bite when it's cold and rainy out. They just want to go deep, stay at the bottom. I think he stripped me clean. No, he didn't. But I did catch a lily pad. No, thank you. Alright, get back up there. Oops, that was a bad cast. But let's see what it does. Ugh, in the weeds. Hey buddy, you were a tough one to get to. You see, the last sunfish had a little red dot on the end of his blue mark. Well, this is definitely a different type of sunfish than the last one, but I really didn't get to show you the last one like this. Alright, get out of here. Alright, It's starting to pick up a little bit around here. Woo! Little bit of a fighter. Probably just pulling it through these weeds. See what I mean? This guy's different from the last one I caught. He's got the blue face, but no red mark next to his blue dot. He's warm. Alright, very cool. Yeah, so back to the dentist thing. Try and blow out a walk-in video before I go in. I don't have to be there till 1 o'clock. So then at least I'll have something to edit while my aching jaw is trying to heal. I'm not looking forward to a face full of Novocaine, that's for sure. But gotta do what we gotta do. I've put it off so long. I can't put it off any longer. So we're gonna get it done. Tooth pain is the worst. I can't have it. I hate it. And I've lived with it for long enough. Here we go. Maybe. Getting stuck in the weeds again. Yeah, something on there. Another sunny. I like catch nothing but sunfish. I didn't expect to catch anything but sunfish today anyway. It's cold and rainy. Ooh, got a little bruise or something. Alright, back you go. Still plenty of worm on this one, so let's send her back out. That didn't go where I wanted it to, but let's see how it does. Here we go. Not bad, not bad. 2 in a row. Ah. Dude. Yeah. Oops. Well, he got himself off. See ya. Wow. Oh, another perch. Littler one. Nice. Hey, buddy. Little guy. Alright, pal. Back you go. Alright, I think we can go have another go with that worm. Fun fact about this pond, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I probably have. It holds the Massachusetts state record for crappie at 4 pounds and 10 ounces, which is pretty cool. Caught back in 1980 and it still stands today. But somebody told me that after that happened, they drained this pond. And I don't know why they would do that. Maybe there were a lot of people coming from all over the place to try and catch another record crappie. Who knows? But yeah, they drained this whole pond, and well, it's back and it's got tons of fish. There we go. Trying to get back over in the weeds. No way. There we are. Another sunny. Nice. All right. Now we're going to be wrapping it up here pretty soon. I'm almost out of worms. Yeah, there is something on this. I wasn't sure. That's weird how that happened. Hey, buddy. Easy, tiger. Here we go. Get out of here. He must have hit it as I was reeling it in. Okay, so it's starting to rain, so we're going to do last cast and then we're going to bounce. Alright. Let's see if we can catch one last fish. I think that's pretty much going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me on What's That Guy Doing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And until next time, have a nice day.